Welcome back. In this video session, I will discuss in the detail what is the data lineage and why data lineage is required into the project, and what is the core area where data lineage is needed, and who basically involved into the lineage, and once you delivered it, what basically the outcome come in the real time project. Especially I will take the example of the very one real time example of the healthcare claim, US healthcare claim domain. So welcome back. So data lineage is basically simple, the ability to track the data journey. Okay, like what is the data journey, like where the data got started, what is the source system, what type of the transformation is used, what is the target application, between source to target, what is the happen before the data. So why data lineage is required? The reason is, suppose if someone who created the entirely project, let's claim related data warehouse solution, and he resigned from the organization, and someone new people came in the organization. So they can easily understand from the data lineage document, like what is our source application, what is our target application, where the data is exactly loading, and especially what type of the data transformation is happen. So suppose if you have any claim application, like example, claim processing application for one member, we have provider, we have 100 of the claim will be in the source application, but data will not load into target application. There are some type of the filtration is required, or the remove the duplicate of the claim. So data is loading only 80 claim. So if someone reported into the data consumer that we have source application like 100 claim, and but target is showing only 80 claim. So between source and target, what type of the data transformation is happened? So anyone who is the owner of the system, they can insert it. Okay, so basically this process is called the data lineage. So basically, who done the data lineage? So data lineage is basically done by the majorly if you working as a data architecture, or the if you are the business analyst in data. So business analyst, we have the functional and data as well. So basically what we need to be do, we need to be first identify the flow of the different source application, example EHR provider, like when the patient is visited and claim is generated. Next is the ETL, what ETL is basically used. Suppose if you are using the ETL on premises, SSIS, Informatica, any type of the all the ADF if they are using, or the ELT is also using in the cloud in Databricks. So basically what type of the transformation is used, like validation of the code, mapping provider ID, basically removing the duplicate value, removing the null value. So step 2, we need to mention the ETL. Step 3, you need to be mention the what is the data warehouse. In the data warehouse, what type of the basically methodology we use. We use the snowflake schema, or we use the basically star schema. If you have like if you are document are in the more detail in the data lineage, you can also mention the different type of the dimensional table are used, different type of the fact table basically used, in which table we use the SCD type, which table basically we have the some rapidly change dimension, if there is any late arriving dimension is there. So if you have the detailed documentation into data lineage, so it's very easily understand. Okay, so basically without data lineage, business team cannot show like what is the claim denial percentage, what is the jump from the 12 to 30% overnight. So all these things we need to be only perform if we have the proper data lineage. So basically data lineage is a process to find the flow of the data, where the source started, what middle happened, and in the target basically where the loading. So if you work with the like data engineer, if you work with the like more than 4 to 5 years experience, for the interview point of view, you will get the question like what is the data lineage, and why we need it. Okay, so to answer this question in very effective way, you need to be answer like data lineage is the process document where documented to flow of the entire solution, like what type of the source is there, what type of the data transformation is done, and where the data is loading. So entirely anyone can see the document, they can easily understand that this is the flow of my data warehouse. And why we needed this needed because of in the for the future point of view, if anyone come on the organization, or anyone new people is want to see, like client also want to see what is the flow of the data warehouse solution, so they can easily understand, and they can understand what type of the sources and what is the destination will be there. So hope you understand this complete data lineage into very simple term. If you have any question, doubt, you can definitely ask on the video comment. Thank you so much.